dear friends, welcome to my channel Ruchi Sharma Videos. As you all know that this video is about the Indian and international system of numeration. After this video you will never face difficulty in solving the questions based on this topic. Indian. Indian we all know. What is Indian? The way we write. We write the numbers like ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, and so on. But when we talk about the international, we have same places up to 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. But when we talk about the lakh and the higher places, here these places will be different. So today I will tell you right from the basics, like all the places, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. Up to this we have to learn the Indian and international system as per our syllabus. And here we divide the places into periods, like ones, tens, 100 is the first period, 1,000, 10,000 is the second period, lakhs and 10 lakh is the third period, and the 10 crores and crore is the fourth period. And we also give name to the periods, that is the ones, tens and 100. This is called the ones period. This is called the thousands period. This is called the lakhs period, and this is crores period, because here we have the numbers up to hundreds, here we have up to 1,000 and 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs, and crore and 10 crore. If you will learn this, you will never face difficulty in writing the Indian system. Now when we talk about the international system, as you have seen, the places up to 5 place will remain same. So it is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and now we have 100,000. You should remember this. And just after this we have million, 10 million and 100 millions. So what we have seen is up to 10,000 it is same, but after that it is different. Now we will again divide this into the periods as per the international system. Here the difference is, in Indian system we did the grouping. The first period was of 3 places, and then we have 2 places. But here in international we have the groups of 3 places. All the groups will be of 3 places. Okay, and the periods will be given name according to that only. Like 3 places will be given the names, like the first one is ones period, second is thousands period, and third is millions period. So this is also called the place value charts. I hope you have seen the difference. In Indian system we will divide the numbers. First period we have 3 places, then 2 places. Here we have 3 places, again 3 places, and 3 places. Now we'll take an example. Suppose we take a number which is 489768542. This is a 9-digit number. If I have to write this number in Indian system, then I will check these periods. Like in the first period we have 3 places, so I will put the comma after leaving 1, 2 and 3 digits here. Then I will leave 2 digits for the thousands period, again 2 digits for the lakhs period, and the remaining 2 digits are for the crores period. Similarly we will read it. So इट इज 48 करोड़। 48 को आप एक साथ रीड करोगे, सो 48 करोड़। 97 lakhs, देन वी हैव 68,000 एंड इसको हम एक साथ रीड करेंगे 542. So we have written this in Indian. Similarly, this number will be written again in international. For writing in international, we will again write these numbers by putting the periods as per the international system. So I'm just removing the periods. Periods means the commas. The commas which we are putting between the numbers are called the periods. So now in international we have seen the periods are of 3 places. So we will leave 1, 2, 3 digits and put a comma. Again 3 digits, we'll put the comma. Now how to read it? See, this is the millions period. So we will read it as 489. We will read these 3 digits together. 489 million 768,542. Can you see how easily we are able to? This is the millions period, this is thousand period, and this is ones period. So we will read it accordingly. 489 million 768,542. I hope you have understood. Now take one more example. Suppose the number is 4357281. This time it is 8-digit number. So for writing it in international and Indian, we will use the same trick. We will leave 3 places for the Indian and then 2. Here we are left with only one number, so no problem. That is only in the lakhs period, in the crores period. So it will become 4 crore. And when we are writing the numbers in words, we never write S. This is wrong. This S will not be written. So it is 4 crore 35 lakh 72. Which period is this? 1000. And the last one, 3 digits will read together, 801. Can you see how easily you are able to write? Same number I am writing again, that is 4357281. For writing it in international system, we will put the commas by leaving 3 digits. You have to remember 3 digits. Again 3 digits, but here we are left with 2. Not a problem, that will come in the millions. So 43 million. This time we don't have hundreds place here. So we will read only 43 million. Will not put S. Then we will read these 3 digits together, 572. Normally we read 3 digits like this only. So it is 572,000. And then 801. So again we will write 801. See, I hope it is easy now. Just remember the periods, put the commas and read the numbers and write them accordingly. I hope the video is helpful for you. If you have any query, feel free to mention it in the comment section. If you want me to take any further topic, please mention that in the comment section itself. Till then, take care. Bye bye. We'll meet in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe, share and like the video. Bye bye.